Two.
Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Afua, and in today's video I'm going to give you some simple tips to make your coochie smell nice and sweet. Okay, now back to the what am I saying? Back to the video. All you need, okay, we've been hearing of cloves. I've made so many videos of cloves on how to make your coochie sweet, tight, and all that in my cloves video. Maybe you can scroll down to watch it. But today I'm going to give you another one, the edible ones. Okay, the first thing you need is yogurt. Me, my house is always full of yogurt because apart from making your coochie nice, it fights against infections, bacteria. Yogurt is good. Okay, it gives you the good bacteria. I wanted the right English, but it didn't come. So yogurt is good. If you're a woman, eat yogurt at least once a week. Okay, for it to fight all the infections, to make the pH balance perfect. Okay, and when your pH balance and all these good bacteria are there, no scratching, no smell, no nothing like that. So number one is yogurt. Number two, the holy grain, is ananas. Okay, ananas. Is it ananas? Pineapple. Pineapple. My sister, pineapple is good though. You know, whatever you eat reflects in the smell of the coochie. If you eat pineapple, you know the smell of pineapple, God, the place will smell fruity. Okay, to smell fruit, not this garlicky, oniony, fufu, soup, banga, ebas kind of smell. No. So once a while, you'll be eating the pineapple, the fruit, not only pineapple, eat fruits, and your palate will smell fruity. Smells good. Sometimes, like, I take my panty off and I smell, this is smelling like a pineapple. And when it smells like a pineapple, who wouldn't eat that? If you want someone's son to suffer down there, please treat yourselves. Okay, in my I don't know which of my videos, but you can scroll down. I made a video with salty water to clear vaginal infections. Once in a while, you make your salty water, you use it to wash the place, leave it for like 10 minutes, and then wash everything off with cold water. Okay, and then you are good to go. So eat pineapple, my sister, eat pineapple. Then if you want the place to be tight, go to Google, search for Kegel exercise. Kegel, Kegel exercise. When you are sitting there, down, anywhere you are, standing, walking, sleeping, you'll be contracting your there. Okay, you open it, squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze, and through that you will tighten it. This is all what I came to tell you guys. If you watch me till now, please share the video, like the video, subscribe, and let's be a family. Stay positive, move from negative people. I love you. Bye. Mwah.